There is no such thing as a quick fix. We have to come together and to try to leave our second-hand, second-best, suboptimal private solutions in order to find common solutions. And that also goes in the markets. I think it is crucial that we have the right to decide with whom we will share our data and for what purpose. But the thing is that there are also enormous benefits in sharing. Enormous benefits. Things that we could only dream of before we were able to share data to the very large extent that we see it today. Every second European seems not only to think so, but actually also to act on these thoughts. They use e-commerce. Every second European bought something online last year. And then, of course, one of the things that is important for me and for my colleagues is to enable this to happen, to make sure that we don't have a renationalization, but we have a true European digital market with all the benefits that come from it. It is thought-provoking that less than 10% of our SMEs, they do cross-border e-commerce. This is freedom. To be able to be forgotten, but also to be able to take your things and go away. Anyone who's been divorced will know that. So, well, I don't think that we need to look to competition enforcement to fix privacy problems. But that doesn't mean that we will ignore it. If we analyze a merger, if we have a suspicion or a concern when it comes to antitrust, if it has a link to data, of course we'll look. Finally, a few words on data as an asset. Because basically I'm happy that businesses and companies are working together to standardize privacy protection on the internet. But that shouldn't be made in a way that makes it more difficult for smaller players to compete.